Hi, I'm Natalie from Bellamar Real Estate. We hope this informative video will help you understand about 10 most expensive home repairs and how to avoid them. Owning a home is an awesome investment, but it comes with some risk. Do some basic maintenance to avoid major costs. Ready to buy or sell? If you are in the market, I can help. Contact me to get started. Mitigate the cost risk of home ownership by spotting and taking care of minor repairs before they become major. These are the 10 highest cost problems you can encounter and what to do about them. First is foundation repair. Second is roof repair. Third is broken water heater. Fourth is termite damage. Fifth is water damage. Sixth is HVAC replacement. Seventh is mold remodel. Eighth is new pipes. Ninth is septic system repair. 10th is electrical issues. Foundation repair. Average cost to repair, $500 to $15,000. Issues could include a slope in the floors, pooling water, cracks, or hard-to-shut windows or doors. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Don't let soil get too dry and check for proper drainage. Roof repair. Average cost to repair, $1,000 to $10,000. If you notice leaks, visible damage, or missing shingles, you could have a roof problem. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Get regular inspections, visually inspect, take care of minor repairs right away. Broken water heater. Average cost to repair, $500 to $1,500. Broken water heaters may make strange noises, let off bad smells, not effectively heat water, or have pooling water in the drip tray. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Check your pressure valve. Get your water heater inspected. Flush the tank. Termite damage. Average cost to repair, $500 to $8,000. Termite damage looks like swarms of flying bugs, wood with hollowed-out tunnels, and mud tunnels along exterior walls. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Get termite monitors and traps installed. Pull mulch away from the foundation. Get termite inspections. Water damage. Average cost to repair, $2,000. You may have water damage if you notice musty smells, leaks anywhere in the roof or walls, mold or mildew growth, peeling or cracked paint. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Clean your gutters, fix any pipe leaks, get your sump pump tested. HVAC replacement. Average cost to repair, $500 to $2,500. If your HVAC isn't heating, cooling, is making strange noises, giving off strange odors, or is resetting frequently, you may have mechanical or electrical issues. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Get your HVAC system maintenance every year. Replace air filters on schedule. Clear away debris from outdoor units. Mold removal. Average cost to repair, $2,000. Mold may be visible or simply give off a musty odor and discolor ceilings. It may also cause respiratory issues for the people in your home. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Don't ignore plumbing leaks and perform regular mold inspections. New pipes. Average cost to repair, $2,500. If you notice damage on exposed pipes, water leaks, or rusty water, you may have pipe issues. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Don't use chemicals on drains. Winterize your pipes during cold months. Get your pipes professionally cleaned out. Septic system repair. Average cost to repair, $1,500. Septic system issues may show up if you don't flush toilets, drains go slow, or you have standing water in the yard. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Septic tanks should be pumped once every 3-5 years and inspected at least that often. Electrical issues. Average cost to repair, up to $15,000 for rewiring. Electrical issues may be evident if circuit breakers trip a lot, appliances cause electrical shocks, lights flicker, or switches stop working. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. Electricity isn't a DIY task. Get a professional electrician to inspect and service your system. Buyers going into a new home need to understand their best option for avoiding these repairs. Sellers need to understand what maintenance steps will improve their home value. Good news, I can help both. Whether you are buying or selling, together we can create a winning strategy for success. Give me a call and let's get started. For your convenience, we have also emailed you the full 10 most expensive home repairs and how to avoid them guide. Thank you for watching and call us anytime. 305 450 0476.